What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video. And let me be a cow this time. Or a snowman. Cow or snowman. I want to see a cow. Oh no. Sorry. Let's be a cow and be on a motorcycle. Motorcycle cow.
Dion looks hilarious on a cow motorcycle.
Now let's do the cherry races. 150cc.
Because Dion is PP.
No, I am crazy.
Weet jy kan nie, hulle sien partykeer heel gesig. Wat hy so donker gaan.
Let's begin this race already. Yes, there it goes. Let's begin this race. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's begin this race.
Just another thing to keep in mind. Me and Dion are Afrikaans.
2,
3,
go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go.
You are one of the best XP riders. You might boom the whole population of red versus blue. And you are see-through.
Now I am glowing. Hey, people.
Comment down below if I'm a good or bad cameraman.
I think he's very good cameraman. And now I am a giant cow riding my motorbike. Yeah. What? Why is there a van there? A van gonna kidnap the little kids? No, 22. Now I'm a dancing.
Dion, Dion is so funny.
Oh no! Go speed! I am a speedy devil. Go! Oh no! Yes! Go! Yes! Go! Hey!
Comment down below if Dion's a little crazy game player.
I am not crazy. Oh no, there was a secret path. No, what? Why is it team?
Oh, you're
sorry guys, this lap is a little bit slower than the last one. But just
Dion, we didn't post the last video. I accidentally deleted it.
You're not supposed to be tiny to the viewer. Sorry guys, it was my little sister who accidentally deleted the video. The video. And he's just taking credit for it. So all of you guys can be mad at him in the comments. And say funny stuff.
Nah.
No, go!
What's up?
Why am I a little turtle?
Another thing to keep in mind, Dion doesn't have a little sister. He has a big sister.
No, I said my friend's little sister.
I don't have a little sister.
My other friend that you don't know of.
Hierdie is my tablet. Hoe sal hy daar kom? Wat? Hy het sy mekaar en dag.
What the Oh no, dinosaur! Run,
it's fast as you can. You can't catch me under gingerbread man.
Go! Oh, I'm a biggie cow. I'm a very big cow. I'm a big cow. Let's go. I am a very big cow.
What you want is
go.
Me and Dion are not gonna continue if we don't have at least a like in the comments. We're
just joking. We will keep making videos for you because we love you guys.
And
oh, I'm a dancing cow. Why is it? What? Oh no, that guy. Oh, what? No! Go, 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 go! No, 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 no!